What's the most common objection we get? I need to think about it, or I need to talk to my spouse. Any objection, regardless, but especially in those, but any objection they have, you need to affirm and make them feel like that is completely normal to feel that way. Then you need to take it a step further and explain to them that, man, look, so many of the people that I met with today, so many of the people that I met with this week said that exact same thing. So now they don't feel crazy. Like, this is not an illogical thought. But then the most important part of that process is saying, but here's why they went ahead and signed up anyways. Today is your enrollment day. You're not paying for anything today. We'll set it out to your next payday. What's that, 1st, 15th, whatever. Take this information home. Go over it with your spouse. Look at all the other insurance that you have. And all you got to do if you need to make a change is give me a call. No big deal. And then lastly, and probably the second most important part is, immediately, the second that you end that statement, take it home. Go over it with your spouse. Look at the other insurance that you have. If you need to make any changes whatsoever, all you got to do is give me a call. The second that give me a call rolls off your tongue, it's immediately followed by, so what did you want to start with? So what did you want to start with? There have been times in the one-on-one that I've said, so what do you want to start with 6 times? And I promise you, it did not feel like I was twisting their arm. I mean, there have been times in a one-on-one where someone has said to me, this is multiple times, and it's the funniest thing ever when it happens. Someone will say, I just don't know how much coverage I want to do. I don't know if I want to do the 200 or the 100,000. And I'll say, well, why don't you just start with the 50? You can always bump it up later. And every time they'll say, you're right, let's do the 200. Because I didn't try to twist their arm. I didn't say, well, the 200's better for your family, or, you better do the 200 now, or you may be more expensive later. I didn't get salesy on them. Yep. I was the opposite of that. I'm there to serve. Mm-hmm. But they can sense when you're doing it for the commission, and they can sense when you're legitimately looking out for their best interests. Yep. And doing the right thing.